And you're you. And that's a beautiful thing.
We are all pieces of the same big, beautiful puzzle.
Each one of us brings something unique, a story, a hope, and a dream.
Maybe we speak in different languages, maybe we celebrate in different ways, but we all belong together.
Here we are, a family. We lift each other up. We laugh together. We learn together.
Our differences don't divide us. They make us richer.
Every culture, every story adds to the beauty of our world.
When I look around, I see friends. I see a world where everyone has a place.
It doesn't matter where you're from and what you believe. Here is your home.
We are different, but together, we're something stronger.
Together, we're creating a world where everyone belongs.
And the world starts here with us.